Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Reshma. I share things related to lifestyle, travel and little everyday joys. Today's video is going to be a fun one. Today I'm going to show you what is in my beach bag. I have been to Goa, Thailand and Maldives, and trust me, wherever the waves take you, a well-packed beach bag is always a game changer. So here is my beach bag. It is so aesthetically pleasing. It has got an evil eye design in it and it is super spacious. So I got this one from Commercial Street in Bangalore just for rupees 600. Actually, I have also seen this in Amazon ranging from 800 to 1500 rupees from different sellers or vendors. So yeah, this is my beach bag and I really love it. First things first, sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must when you visit the beaches. And I use Dot & Key's Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Sunscreen, which has got SPF 50 plus. It is water resistant and it doesn't leave any white casts, and I really love the consistency. Next item is a pair of sunglasses. It is not just for style but also for serious UV protection. So I got this Vincent Chase series sunglass from Lenskart. So let me show you. Okay, so this is how it looks on me. I think it suits the shape of my face. So yeah, sunglasses really protect you from harmful UV rays because at the beach the sunlight reflects off the sand and the water. Also, some people might experience squinting of eyes or even headache. So sunglasses is a must to prevent all these serious issues. Always keep a hard case with you to keep the sunglasses protected. Next item that I keep on my beach bag is an insulator water bottle because it will keep the water cool and it will prevent you from getting dehydrated. So it is a must-have item on your beach bag. So I've got this insulated water bottle from the brand Borosil. Always keep a pair of swimsuit because you never know when you want to take a dip in the ocean. So I got this swimsuit from Myntra. I'll give the link in the description box if you would like to take a look. Next up is a waterproof pouch for my phone and to keep cash. Actually, when I went for snorkeling, I kept my phone inside this case and I could even take underwater photos and videos using this. Honestly, it is one of the best beach buys I've ever done. I got this product from Amazon. It is easily available. Next item is a lip balm with SPF. You always have to carry a lip balm with SPF because your lips could get dry and dehydrated or get sunburned too. So a lip balm with good SPF is a must-have. Next item is Wetwipes because every time when you go to beach you could get sand on your hand and feet. Also you could easily get sweat, and if you eat some snacks you will have the residues or debris around your mouth or face or whatever. Wet wipes are the easiest way to freshen up. If you're having plans to swim in the ocean, always keep a quick dry towel with you. I got my quick dry towel from Decathlon. It is very soft, it absorbs water very quickly. It is quite affordable too. Next item is a beach hat. I always carry this one whenever I go to beach because it gives you full protection from the sun. I got this one from Commercial Street for rupees 250. I think it's a good catch. Last but not least, a hair clip. These days these floral hair clips are on fashion and trending, and these are perfect for your beach photo shoot. You can style it in multiple ways. This is one of my favorite items that I always keep in my beach bag. And that's everything in my beach bag. So let me know what all you keep in your beach bag and if I'm missing anything in my beach bag. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay happy and stay cool.